Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 130. Ministers of the Crown have various duties to perform on behalf of their government. One is at the Exchequer, controlling the financial business of the country and looking into matters of expenditure. And in this work, he has often to meet criticism from the wealthy classes, from leaders of commerce, and from manufacturers, because he seeks to tax the commodities they manufacture or export. It is in the months of January, February, and March that he begins to think of his budget for the coming financial year. Another is exchanging views with foreign powers, and it is necessary that he maintains an imperturbable manner under all circumstances and displays a broad spirit in his views. Third is maintaining the impregnable state of our coasts, or considering the inefficiency of our navy, which is very expensive, and formulating plans for making it more efficient. Fourth has to deal with the treatment of prisoners who are confined for offenses of various kinds, and though he may be a kindly man, he must not be swayed by false motives in the discharge of his duties. A fifth is concerned with the health of metropolitan and other areas throughout the land. In addition to all this, such ministers are cross-examined in Parliament, and the result of such cross-examination depends very largely on the personal magnetism of the holder of the office. Full stop.